Ready to capture some dazzling fireworks photos this 4th of July? Here's a quick guide to get those award-winning shots in just 1 minute. Let's dive in. First, mount your camera to a tripod. This is essential. Pick the perfect lens. Choose one that can zoom in to catch the action, but is wide enough to capture the whole burst. Not sure which one? Bring a few. Better safe than sorry. Set your camera to manual mode. Set your aperture to f11. This will make your photos sharp enough to cut through butter. Set your shutter speed to 3 seconds. Just enough time to capture the magic. Turn off auto ISO and set it manually to ISO 200. Then listen for the boom. When you hear it, press the shutter button. That's your cue the fireworks are being launched from the mortar. Want longer streaks in your firework bursts? No problem. Switch your shutter speed to 4 seconds. And there you have it. You're all set to capture those spectacular fireworks moments. Check out my full YouTube video for more details.